Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of exploring Germany. Today we are in Heidelberg and in this video I am going to show you the main touristic points in Heidelberg that you can cover in one day. So let's get started. The first thing that you can do is to take the Heidelberg funicular. It takes you from the old town of Heidelberg towards the Königstuhl mountain, offering a panoramic view of the city. The funicular has two main stops. First, it will stop at the castle, which is a very famous touristic spot in Heidelberg, and then it will go directly to the top of the city where you can witness the panoramic view of the city. This is the first stop to visit the castle. But we will go first directly to the top of the city and then we will visit the castle on our way back. At this point, you can view the city from the top, and also there are restaurants and cafes. Heidelberg Castle and Pharmacy Museum are one of the major attractions in the city, and the tickets to the castle and the museum are included in the funicular. Heidelberg Castle was constructed in 13th century, and due to its unique structural style, it is one of the most visited castles in Germany. There are various buildings in this castle, including the Great Barrel, where you can see one of the largest wine barrels in the world. Here is the entrance to the pharmacy museum. From the castle hilltop, you can enjoy the beautiful view of the city, including the Neckar river and the old bridge. Our next stop will be the Twin Tower and the Karl Theodor Bridge. The Twin Towers are constructed in the old town of Heidelberg. And through these towers you can get access to the bridge. Karl Theodor Bridge was built in 18th century and it is constructed on the famous Neckar river. Many of the tourists visit Heidelberg to explore the Neckar river. Apart from enjoying the scenic view of the river, you can also take a walk at the Philosopher's Weg alongside the river. Now we will explore the old town of Heidelberg. In the old town, visitors can explore colorful buildings, cobblestone streets, and charming squares. Open Market Square will be our last stop. Church of Holy Spirit is the main attraction in the central square of the city. I covered all the main spots that you can see in one day in Heidelberg. Apart from that, you can visit Heidelberg University as well. I hope you guys like the video. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.